Now children, here in this video I am going to explain you about the principle of capacitor. Principle of capacitor, to understand it, what we will consider this is a plate, metal plate. Okay, this is a metal plate. And we have given a positive charge to the metal plate by some external source. So the potential of this plate will be V because charge is given. What will happen? Now you have taken an uncharged metal plate. Okay, this is uncharged metal plate. But when you will place it near to this charged metal plate, the phenomena of electrostatic induction takes place. The phenomena of electrostatic induction takes place in such a manner that you all know the one phase of this metal acquire just opposite charge. So this surface of this metal plate acquire negative charge in the same amount, and similarly the outer surface of this metal plate acquire the positive charge. This is the phenomena of electrostatic induction. If the two surfaces are there, one surface which is close to this charge acquire negative charge, but the outer surface acquire just opposite to this charge, that is the positive charge, in the same amount. Now we have to check in which condition the ability to store charge by this metal plate will be more. Now see what will happen. This is the negative charge and this is the positive charge. The negative charge is nearer to the positively charged plate. So what will happen? Due to this negative charge, the potential at this plate will be negative. Initially it is positive, but due to the presence of this negative charge, the potential of this plate at this point will be negative. That means you can say, due to the presence of this negative charge, the potential of this plate slightly decreases. But here you have a positive charge also, but the negative charge is more nearer compared to this positive charge to this plate. So this negative charge decreases the potential of this plate, but due to the presence of these positive charge which is away from the plate, the potential of this plate slightly increases also. But since the negative charge is close to this positive plate, so we will say the potential of this plate is reduced. Though due to the presence of this positive charge, potential increases, but the net potential we will say that it decreases. Why? Because this charge is nearer to this plate. Okay, so to acquire the same potential, this plate needs more charge from the external source. So we will say the capacitance of the metal plate increases due to the ability to store more charge. This is the one case. Now we are moving on to the second case. In the second case, I have taken the same metal plates, and by placing the second plate near to the first charge plate, what will happen? In this condition, one arrangement we have done, that this second plate is connected to the earth whose potential is 0. So what will happen? This positive charge which appears due to the phenomena of electrostatic induction is free to move towards the lower potential region. So the positive charge, which is we can say at higher potential, now free to move towards the earth. So all the positive charges appear on this outer surface move towards the earth which is at lower potential, because the positive charge always flow from higher potential to lower potential. Now what will happen? This is a negative charge. Due to the presence of this negative charge, the potential of this plate decreases. Okay, but here no positive charge, so we cannot say the potential of this plate increases slightly due to the presence of this charge. So what we will say, only due to the presence of these negative charge the potential of this plate decreases greatly. So if the potential of this plate decreases greatly, so to restore the charge it needs extra amount of charge compared to this case in this situation. तो इस प्लेट का चार्ज बढ़ाने के लिए आपको एक्सटर्नल सोर्स से ज़्यादा चार्ज देना पड़ेगा पोटेंशियल बढ़ाने के लिए, क्योंकि हमें पोटेंशियल इसका भी रखना है, लेकिन इसका पोटेंशियल इस नेगेटिव चार्ज की वजह से क्या हो गया, डिक्रीज़ हो गया ज़्यादा कंपेयर टू दिस केस, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इस पॉजिटिव चार्ज की वजह से पोटेंशियल जो डिक्रीज़ हुआ था वो थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज़ भी करा था, लेकिन नेट पोटेंशियल डिक्रीज़ ही हुआ. बट हियर इन दिस केस नो पॉजिटिव चार्ज, तो नेट पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस नेगेटिव चार्ज ज़्यादा डिक्रीज़ हो गया. तो पोटेंशियल को सेम करने के लिए इस प्लेट को एक्सटर्नल सोर्स से ज़्यादा चार्ज की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. तो वी विल से दैट द एबिलिटी टू स्टोर मोर चार्ज इन द सेकेंड केस इज मोर एज कंपेयर टू फर्स्ट केस. सो इन दिस केस मोर charges are required to maintain potential V. Hence capacitance, or you can say the capacity to store charge increases in this case. So this is the principle of the capacitor.